So, hi, Assalamualaikum and salam satu Malaysia. Salam sejahtera. Okay, so sekejap saya check setting. Alright, so welcome to all new candidates Physics STPM. So far lah, okay, since you're not making any decision yet. So, welcome to EC. Welcome to Maktab Sultan Abu Bakar. Okay, so today I will like to give some briefings regarding of the physics subject, STPM code subject 960. Alright. So first of all, let's go. Let me introduce to you all the teachers of physics STPM in EC, which is me, myself, Wan Izian binti Ismail. So I am a Bachelor in Science and Education, majoring in Physics, graduated from University Technology Malaysia in 2013. Okay, and then my beloved friends, Puan Nur Nazira binti Muhammad Zihud, also Bachelor in Science and Education, majoring in Physics, graduated from University Putra Malaysia on 2012. So we'll be teaching Form 6 for a long time since we got graduated. So nice to meet you all. So let's start our briefing. Before that, what can you say about physics? I would like to ask you some questions. What can you say about physics? Why are you here and what do you think about physics? Either calculation or concepts? Which one more? The weightage. Alright? So since you are in SPM, make sure if you are choosing choosing course aliran science, okay? Physics stream, science streams yang contain physics subject, make sure you already have the basic in physics SPM and minimal lah. I can say minimal results in physics will be nice if you get SPM B, a range of B or C plus like that. Okay, because it's totally different in physics STPM. Maybe before this, if you learn like words, so maybe you have one equation, but now in physics STPM, we'll be go more deeper, which is one phenomena or maybe one things you will go develop to a branch of phenomena and situation and also concept and laws. So there's a lot of equation for sure. All right. So there's no such thing like you are reading the questions and then you substitute the formula and then you get the answer. Not as easy as that lah. Because in STPM, you'll be develop more in concepts, law, principles, and so on. So make sure you are in love in physics before you taking physics stream. Okay. So our aims. Physics syllabus, okay? This syllabus aims to enhance candidates' knowledge and understanding of physics to enable them to either further their study at institution of higher learning or assist them to embark on a related career, okay? Related career. And also to promote awareness among them of the role of physics in the universe. Okay, so actually physics universal studies, not only calculation like mathematics and so on. It's a very universal. And also related career, of course, career involved for physics stream need very wide because it's so universal. Alright, so our objective, okay, in physics stream, in physics subject, our objective was use model, concepts, principle, theories, and laws of physics. Interpret and use scientific information presented in various forms. Solve problems in various situations. Analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information and ideas logically and critically. Use techniques of operation and safety aspect of scientific equipment. Plan and carry out experiments scientifically and make conclusion. So dalam STPM, kita dah tak ada spoon feeding like we are giving you the procedure and so on. Then we show you all carry on hands-on by yourself and your teams lah. Okay. So starting from the first part, you are taking the apparatus, we are observing you, either you taking the correct apparatus, are you using the right way. So everything's until the conclusion we observe, all right? And then develop proper attitudes, ethics and values in the study and practice of physics. Okay? So, sekejap. Okay. So next, so in physics, 960 code, we have team, okay, which is tema lah, tema, okay. So as you know, in STPM, you will go through 3 semester, okay. The first term, second term, and third term, okay. We have 3 semester. So every semester, okay, every semester we have some theme that cover the whole term or the whole semester, which is for the first semester. Let's say for the first semester, we cover theme regarding the mechanics and thermodynamics, okay, containing 11 topics. And then for second term, we cover theme for electricity and magnetism only. And then the last sem, which is the third sem, will cover the theme regarding the oscillation and wave. And then we have optics and also modern physics, which is 7 topics. So overall, we have 25 topics. So as you can see in this theme, okay, you will be tested. You will sit for exam in 3 terms, which is 3 semester. And of course, as you can see, we have 3 different division of theme. So it's different, a bit different from the SPM, which is SPM you study Form 4 and Form 5, and then at the end of the year, 2000 berapa lah kan, at the end of the year, and then you'll be tested for the whole topic. So you will able to choose lah any topic you like, okay. But for STPM, let's say you are expert in force diagram, in work energy theorem, and so on. So maybe in the first term you will be score, okay, because the first term cover mechanics and thermodynamics theme. But let's say in second term, you memang dislike, you doesn't have interest in electric and also magnetism. Maybe your experience before, like you very hate it, and then you don't like, you feel very a bit difficult. So you may be facing some difficulties, or maybe quite challenging lah for your second term, because second term is overall about electricity and magnetism. And of course, for the third term, you have 3 themes, different theme, which is oscillation and wave, optics, and modern physics, okay. So you have no choice. In every sem, you must love, you must like all the theme, you must score and expert all the theme and fail, okay. So that's it lah. So make sure you have some survey and overview regarding of this tema lah, this theme. Alright. So we'll go through the content. Okay, basically the title will be slightly lebih kurang lah dengan slightly same with the previous you learn in SPM. But in STPM, we will go deeper. Alright. So let's see in the first term, regarding the theme of mechanics and thermodynamics. What will we have in 11 topics in first term? The first one will be physical quantities and units. And then we have kinematics. All of this topic will be covered about 1.5 weeks or maybe 2 weeks. Let's say for topic 1 week. For topic 2, even though it's only 2 subtopics, it will cover for about almost 2 weeks. So you can imagine how deep we develop into the topic. And then chapter 3, we have dynamics, we have 5 subtopics, and then we have chapter 4, which is works, energy, and power. So as you can see, from chapter 1 until chapter 4 is a very familiar for you, all right? So for chapter 5 is new things, okay? Circular motion, and then chapter 6, gravitation. Chapter 7 will be statics, and chapter 8 will be deformation of solids, and chapter 9 will start looking at the theme, which is thermodynamics. Just now all was mechanics, and now will be thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases, thermodynamics of gases, and also heat transfer, right? So finish for semester 1. For second term, which is the theme, as you can see just now, the theme is only regarding the electricity and magnetism. Okay, you akan belajar semuanya berkaitan magnet and also electricity. So before I forget, so in physics, okay, physics STPM, we are using physics textbook which is in English, and also medium of teaching and learning will be in English. Alright, so if you are learning in bahasa before, so make sure you already study the terms in English. If not, a bit difficult for you to understand. And then chapter 12, for the first chapter in second term, we have electrostatics, and then we have two laws inside it. And then chapter 13, which is capacitors. And then chapter 14, electric current. Chapter 15, direct current circuit. Chapter 16, magnetic fields. Also long topic lah. I can say it's quite a long topic. And then, oops, okay. And then chapter 17 will be electromagnetic induction, where we combine electric and also magnet in one topic. And then last one for semester 2 will be alternating current circuits. Okay, so that's all for SEM 2. SEM 3, we have three themes, which is oscillation and wave, optics, and modern physics. So for oscillation, chapter 19, the first chapter in semester 3, oscillations, and then you have wave motions, and we have sound wave. So these three topics regarding to the oscillation and wave. Okay, next for chapter 22, which is geometrical optics and also wave optic, regarding the theme of optics. And then the last two chapter will be covered the theme of modern physics, which is universal quantum physics and also nuclear physics. So starting from SEM 1 until SEM 3, the whole 25 topics, you will cover a topic and you will explore the universal studies of physics. Alright? So, same as like other subject, physics, bio, and chemistry, we have school-based assessment, which is we are using 13 compulsory experiment and one project. So this one same for if you're taking biology, chemistry, or physics, you will go through 13 compulsory experiments and also one project to be carried out by the candidates, which will be compiled in the teachers and students manual for practical physics. Okay, so this coursework and also the project and also the experiment is compulsory. If you are not doing complete the task, then your cert will be not grade, you tak akan dikeluarkan lah. Okay, so inilah lebih kurang macam inilah kita apa yang kita nak, objektif and so on. So I would like to share you the summary of experiment. So we have basically 3 terms, right? We have 3 terms. So we have 13 experiment. So for experiment 1 until 5, which is physical quantities, kinematics, dynamics, statics, and heat transfer will be covered in semester 1. So actually, each semester you have, first semester you have 5 experiment to be covered, and then the submission will be end of the semester. Collection mark will be end of the semester. And then second semester, experiment 6, capacitor, 7, direct current circuit, chapter experiment 8, magnetic fields, experiment 9, electromagnetic induction, and experiment 10, alternating current circuit, will be covered in terms 2, okay, which is semester 2. And then last one, another 3 final experiment will be covered in third term. Okay, so the one project, for the experiment, each of the experiment contribute 15 marks. Okay, 15 marks. As you can see, we will see your practical skills, observation and measurement, processing and analyzing of data, discussion and conclusion, and also general. So all of these you must done lah on your own. And then project assessment, 30 marks. This one we call it final project lah. Okay, like Viva lah kalau dekat universiti tu. Okay, 30 marks. So, the weightage saya jump into the weightage. Sekejap, saya nak tengok ni. We jump into the weightage. Okay. So, we have 3 terms and also coursework just now. So, for term 1, your punya, apa yang you sit for exam tu, let's say lah your grade will be A, A minus, B and so on. The weightage contribution will be 26.67. Also same for term 2 and term 3. And then your coursework will be contribute 20 marks. 20% from overall. Let's say your experiment, 13 experiment plus 1 project, or the weightage 20% to your final results. Okay, so actually we have for term 1, the code will be 960/1. For term 2, 960/2. And for term 3, 960/3. And then for the coursework ataupun the project will be paper code will be number 4. Okay, code paper number 4. Like this. Sekejap mana? Okay, ni physics paper 5 kan? Okay, this one physics paper 4. Yang mana tadi, which is school-based assessment of practicals. You buat 13 eksperimen and 1 project. So, markah total marks will be 2 to 5 to scale. Okay, throughout the 3 terms. Alright. So, this is an overview of our textbook. As I said before, we will go more develop. Okay, kita dah akan develop lebih dalam lah. Okay. And like this lah, gravitation. And then we have example of questions. Alright, all about concept. As you can see, tak banyak kalau contoh soalan ni, memang tak banyak calculation. Physics STPM is different. It's not about calculation. Let's say you have 6 questions, like this lah, let's say question number 18. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 question, maybe 3 or 2 only calculation. The rest will be concept. Okay, so the weightage mark for the calculation is not so high lah. Let's say the total marks 15 marks, maybe for calculation only 5 marks. The rest 10 marks will be concept. So in physics STPM will be more focusing on concept. Okay, so this one SPM versus STPM. As I said before, your SPM is so basic, okay? I just want you to be prepared and also prepare yourself lah. Have some survey with your seniors and then have some surveys and review on YouTube like content. Just now you can get the syllabus on Google and then you can Google lah the content to see what you're going to learn. Alright? Okay, so that you will not culture shock. I just don't want you to be culture shock. Alright? So, this is our lab. Okay, physics lab. We will study in lab for the whole 3 semester. Okay, this is situation bila dia recess time. Okay, and banyak kita akan buat latihan lah. Kita akan banyak buat latihan sebab peringkat universiti, peringkat pra-universiti, you yang banyak akan handle task. Alright, so that's all. That's all for physics briefing. Okay, again, if you will not remember, okay, this is your physics teacher soon. If you are taking physics, so good luck everyone. Good luck everyone. Make a wise decision. Make a right decision.